It's 4th of July and you're American, so what better way to show you're proud to live your life in the US of A. They're blowing stuff up! Let's blow some stuff up! We're blowing stuff up!
Okay.
What about it?
There's fireworks everywhere. There's ones going off there, one's going off behind the tree over here. That one. Some going off there, there, back there somewhere, and over there. We're completely surrounded.
People that don't like fireworks are annoying to us pyromaniacs. They do like. I think we'll be able to go higher.
Can I please have it? I need to open it. I need to open
It's
it.
on top of that fence pole.
Okay.
Mom, wait, I forgot what mine is. Thank you.
But that sunset though.
Alien bombardment has begun.
Oh my god. It looks so good.
I think they got a loud one. They got to get a special permit to shoot them off that big. The ones in the city, we're better than what I used to remember. Sure. Whatever. They go that high though, that big. I don't know. That's pretty high. We're a long ways away. That's covering like 2 baseball diamonds or more. Look how big that is from how far away we are. Like that old baseball complex.
Smiling, thinking to myself, man, what a picture perfect postcard this would make of America.
Logan, we think we could run down here.